Alright, moving to the math. Oh, I forgot to put the graphs on your practice test. Okay, so if you're watching this, there's going to be a couple of these on your practice. Should be on your practice test, but it's missing. So if you're watching this video, now you know. It won't be a surprise. So if you ask, why are the graphs? It wasn't on the practice test. You didn't watch the video on graphing. So let's go over the answers to these. Okay, we're going to start right here. Now I'm going to be relatively quick here, okay, because it's very simple. It's a very simple idea. You've got three components. You got your XY moving this way, you got your up and down movement, and then you got your stretch. How far are you away from the actual center of your asymptotes? Okay. Now these guys are asymptotes here. I can see the dotted lines right here. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit more here. Get autofocus. All right, and you'll see that right here is the center of this guy, which means that he went over 2 and then down 2. So if he went over to the right 2, that means that he actually should have an x minus 2 in his denominator. This has a plus 2. This would have been a left. That's down. Okay, that's left down. This is right down. Okay. Now it does say stretch by a factor of 3, so that's why the 3 is there. Okay. Now stretch by a factor of 3. What I'd also like you to point out to is that this is the center. So if you notice that if you looked at this right here, if this is the center, you went over 3 up 1, and if you went up 1, you went over 3. If I multiply those two coordinates together, I'm going to get 3. So that's a stretch. Okay, so if you need to graph this, remember that that is a stretch of 3 because from the center here, my curve went 1, 2, 3, 1. Those two coordinates multiplied together produce 3. And here, 1, moving up 3, those two coordinates produce 3 when you multiply them together. So that is why this is 3, and that's why this is called a stretch by a factor of 3. Okay? So keep that in mind because that is going to be on the test. We're going this way. This guy looks like he is, let's see, he's over 1, but he's not up 1 at all. Okay, so he's not going up. This guy says he's going up. This guy says he's just moving to the right 1. We got a stretch factor of 4. And again, if you'll notice, from here, we go 1, 2, up 2, 1, 2. See how that's a 2 times 2? But don't pay attention to the numbers here. I'm going from the center here. Okay, 1, 2, and I go up 2. Those two coordinates multiplied together equal 4. So that's why the stretch factor is 4. But anyways, we're going down. Okay, this guy is over to the, let's see, he's going over to the left 4, and he's going up 3, left 4, up 3, stretch factor of nothing. I don't see one, so he is actually going this way. This guy's going, he is to the left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2. Okay, of these guys, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2. This is left 1, up 2. I'm sorry, right 1, up 2, right 1, down 2. So this is it. Still got a stretch factor of 2, so that's why the 2 is there. This one right here, it looks like we are over 1, then down 1. We're over to the right 1, down 1, stretch factor 2. That's this. We are to the left 2, up 1. Well, this is it. Okay, has to be. And then also stretch factor of 4. Okay. We're here. We're probably going to have to go down. Let's see why. We are not going to the right or left. We're just going down 1. Okay, we got a stretch factor of 3. So right there again, 1, 2, 3 times 1, and then 1, 1, 2, 3. So those two coordinates multiplied together are going to give you that stretch factor of 3. All right, so we're moving down. This guy went to the only to the left 2. He did not go up. Okay, so this says going up. This says going to the left. Okay, that when it's out, when it's away from the x, then that means it's going up. All right, so now what? This guy is moving to the left 1. So moving to the left 1 means that we would go down here. All right, this guy looks like we're just going down 2. We got a stretch factor of 3. That's him. This guy is moving over to the left 1 and then up 1 with a stretch factor of 2. That's here. This guy is going to the left 2, up 2. So that's this guy here. This guy is going to the left 1, down 2. So left 1, down 2, stretch factor of 4. That's this way. This guy is going to the right 1, but he's also going up 3. I'm sorry, he's going over to the right 1, up 3. That would be this guy. This guy is going, let's see, right there. He's got a stretch factor of 4, but he's just going down 1. So this is to the right 1. This is down 1. So this way. And then this guy here is just going down 2. All right. So that's it. Just remember that you're going to have one question of each, one in which you have the equation, graph it, and the other one, here's the graph, what's the equation? Okay? All right, we'll stop there. Keep that separate.